Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I have for you a Scentsy unboxing. So Scentsy recently released their Christmas wax collection, and this year the wax collection is called the HYGGE collection. Now HYGGE is, I believe it's Danish, it may be Swedish, I don't know, I need to look it up, whatever. But it is the Danish word for just comfort, cozy. It's a super big trend right now. Everyone and their mother is like jumping on the HYGGE bandwagon, but that is the name of the wax collection for Scentsy, and it came in this gorgeous little stocking with this gorgeous little embroidered heart, and I'm just obsessed. So it is 5 wax scents, and I'm going to sniff them for you because I'm freaking excited about it. All right, so I mean, guys, come on, that's so cute. Okay, so we'll just go first things first. So the first one is Quiet Clementine, which, can we talk about this packaging, guys? Like seriously, it's adorable. And it's just this gorgeous color. This one I love. It really reminds me of Christmas at our house, just because we always have oranges on Christmas Day, like always. So let me read you the scent notes on it, because to me it just smells like a Christmas tree with oranges. So this is sweet orange, vanilla orchid, and sandalwood. So it's probably the sandalwood that I'm smelling with this that makes it smell like kind of tree-ish. But I just love this one. It just reminds me of Christmas at my family's house. So there's the first one. Next is Woolly Slippers. I just love those slippers. I mean, they're freaking cute. And this one's a white wax. That lavender though. Okay, so this one is sugared lavender, marshmallow, accord, and vanilla. So I definitely get the lavender. It's like a very herbal lavender with a very like marshmallow thrown in. So I just love that one. That's gonna be great to just cozy up to. Take a little nap. The next one is Calming Woods. Again, with those freaking trees and the freaking packaging. Whoever designed this, you did fantastic. This one, it just smells like a man in the forest. This is vanilla bean, creamy sandalwood, and rich cedarwood. I don't get that. I smell a man in the forest, like a fresh showered man in a forest. That's what this smells like to me. So I don't know, I just love that. It's probably my favorite one of the collection so far, I think. This is Cozy Kitchen with a cute little cup of cocoa. This one is the only foodie one so far. So this one is warm oats, cinnamon swirl, and brown sugar, which is pretty much exactly what it smells like. It's kind of like a food version of warm vanilla sugar from Bath & Body Works. Just throw in some cinnamon, and that's what this smells like. This is so good. And last, we have Toasty Cabin. And again, we just have the toasty little cabin hanging out down there. The packaging on these are freaking amazing. And this one just smells like a straight, fresh showered man. That's what this smells like. It smells like you just took a Dove bar of soap and scrubbed it all over a man and then kicked him out of the house. This is bergamot zest, black pepper, wild fern, and acacia wood. So basically, man. But yeah, so love that one. I think my favorite for sure is Calming Woods. Definitely love that one. But I love this collection so much. Literally, last year's collection was not my all-time favorite just because there were a lot of foodie scents. And that's just like not my bag, really. I'm not all about it. But this collection is just all about cozy and wood and men, and it's not about men, but you know, like to me that's what it smells like. But it's just so cozy and I love it and I'm all about it. So I literally could see myself melting those year round, every single one of them. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you are having a great day, night, whenever you are watching this. If you are interested in getting your own HYGGE collection, I will have the information linked down below. And until next time, stay batty.